Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. Let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But let's be honest, if this list is really long, then removing everything manually would not be the most efficient way to remove the history. So let's simply tap on Clear Browsing Data at the top. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. It's up to you. So I will choose all time and then just tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.